People, welcome to Shifting Gears, and today we are out driving the Datsun Redi-Go with an AMT gearbox.
The pricing has not been announced yet as the official launch is still a few days away, but we expect that the Datsun Redi-Go AMT will demand a premium close to Rs 30,000 over the manual variants. Just like the Renault Kwid got an AMT in due course of time, Datsun is bringing this convenience feature to the Redi-Go to attract car buyers who want the ease of an automatic but within the tight budget. If you're looking for what is new on the Redi-Go AMT, well, apart from the AMT gearbox, there is nothing significant to spot on this small car. Datsun is not slapping any sort of a badge on this car to shout out that this is an AMT variant. When you step inside, the all-black interiors are welcome, and you also get a Bluetooth compatible budget audio system now. If you look closely, the digital gauge in the speedo console now drops the tachometer and makes way for a gear indicator. Of course, the biggest visible change is that you have a new AMT stick shift in place of the manual gearbox. This is unlike the rotary knob that we have seen on the Renault Kwid. The AMT variant will stick only to the bigger 1-litre motor. This 999cc engine produces 68 PS of power at 5500 rpm and 91 Nm of torque at 4250 rpm, matched to this new 5-speed AMT gearbox. Now we know how AMTs function on almost every other budget car these days, and this is no different. If you are new to driving or drive with a light foot, the Datsun Redi-Go AMT will keep you pleased with seamless gear shifts. Or if you floor the pedal too often, we would recommend a manual gearbox for you. Gear shifts feel laggy when pushed hard, and the engine revs build up and sound coarse during this lazy process. Datsun also offers a creep mode for this AMT, but it is very weak, and best is that you work the throttle lightly when in traffic. The Redi-Go, with its compact dimensions, decent suspension, light steering, and with the added convenience of an AMT gearbox, is very easy to use in the city. If you are a first-time car buyer and expect no frills, the Datsun Redi-Go AMT should make the cut. It has decent space, bright colors, and a competitive price tag which is hard to miss. Do remember to subscribe, like, share, and also comment on this video if you have any specific questions about the Redi-Go AMT.